Hello mga motorista! Welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. Today we are here at Toyota Cagayan de Oro, and for this video, i-compare natin ang ating Yaris Cross base model or entry-level G model. Dito natin i-compare yan sa ating top of the line SHEV na Yaris Cross. For the price difference of the two, is it worth going na lang for the hybrid variant or you just stick to the base or entry-level G variant mga motorista? So, we'll find out today specs differences, feature differences nila, and also yung mga equipment na differences din nila mga motorista, because again, underneath the hood, they are both different when it comes to powertrain. So, simulan natin yung ating video sa kanilang mga exterior, mga motorista. So, simulan natin sa looks ng ating mga Yaris Cross. So, both of them, kitang-kita nyo naman sa harapan nila is halos parehas lang sila ng design dito sa harap. Walang major differences sa kanila except for some items dito sa labas na hindi mo masyadong kita talaga dito sa ating base model. So, simulan natin mga motorista, no? For the base model variant, again, full LED headlights tayo, full LED turn signal lights, LED DRLs, LED fog lights pa din siya, and front parking sensors. Walang missing dito. One thing that you need to know if you gonna choose the base model variant is dito sa ating mga high-end variants, especially for the HEV variant, silver yung ilalim ng ating lower bumper. Ito naman is unpainted, which is not bad naman din. Halos parehas lang din sila mga motorista if you think of it. Now, dito din sa ating HEV variant, automatic kita nyo din na meron tayong front camera sa ating logo. And that's about it, no? Dito sa harapan, parehas lang talaga sila mga motorista except for the equipment differences. Ayan, wala tayong camera sa ilalim nitong G model. And this HEV model is the pearl white variant. And ito naman yung ating color na nasa side natin is greenish gun metallic, which is really good also. Now, if you move on to the side mirrors, kita nyo din mga motorista na meron tayong camera dito sa ilalim. Ayan, and meron din tayong mga ilaw dito. Sa kabila naman, plain lang siya na side mirror and wala siyang mga kahit anong gamit dito sa side. Now, dito din sa sides natin, kita nyo din na meron tayong silver dito sa ating HEV variant. For the G model, plain black lang siya. Okay? When it comes to the wheels and the tires, identical mga motorista, walang differences, no? Pati yung ating mga disc brake, ito yung brakes or disc brake ng ating HEV. And dito naman sa ating non-hybrid variant, no? Hopefully you can see it mga motorista, merong cover. Pero parehas lang sila. Parehas din sila na same color sa body yung mga door handles. Now, two-tone lang yung ating, ayan, two-tone si HEV variant, just like the V variant, merong two-tone. So, for the hybrid variants, lahat ng color is two-tone talaga siya. Meron din tayong roof rail as well, so nothing different there. And meron tayong mga silver finishes dito sa ating mga sides. So, tingnan natin yung likuran. Again, basically the same silang dalawa. And sa likod naman, yung identification again, is yung lower bumper nitong HEV variant natin is meron siyang silver. Dito sa ating Yaris Cross na G model is unpainted siya mga motorista, or wala siyang parang silver finish. Same lang sila na merong high mount stoplight, merong shark fin antenna, meron din tayong wiper, defogger, LED yung turn signal lights, LED yung brake lights, very edgy yung design sa likuran. Torsion beam setup tayo mga motorista sa ating mga suspension system. Now, once you open up the Yaris Cross G variant, hindi siya power tailgate. So, ayan lang siya, no? Hydraulic or gas shock type na tailgate. And then, dito naman sa ating HEV, meron siyang kick sensor. So, ayan. Kick mo lang straight and then bubukas na siya mga motorista, no? That's another difference sa kanilang dalawa if you go for the more expensive model. So, kita nyo din dito, meron siyang adjustment din sa ating tailgate. Thing that I really like sa tailgate nitong Yaris Cross is hindi siya mabagal bumukas. So, very fast din yung bukas niya. And then dito sa Yaris Cross natin na hybrid, this is quite different, no, kasi ayan, meron tayong part here that usually bukas dito sa ating non-hybrid variant. So ayan, tignan nyo. Ito storage area yan, di ba, sa ating non-hybrid, which is the G and the V models. Ito meron siyang cover dito. I'm not so sure kung anong meron dito. I think this is for battery, maybe. So kung bubuksan din natin dito, you still have your spare tire. Ayan, space saver pa din yung spare tire. And ito na lang yung ating lalagyan ng mga gamit here. Meron pa din tayong tonneau cover. Parehas lang sila na merong mga cover dito sa likuran. Okay, ayan. So same lang talaga. So ngayon, sarado natin. Yan mga motorista, so nakabukas yung mga engine bay natin sa ating dalawang Yaris Cross. So unahin muna natin dito sa ating non-hybrid variant. This is the 2NR VE 1.5 liter. So around 106 PS of max power. Lalagay ko yung exact numbers ng ating engine. But again, this is the only engine that you get. Wala tayong hybrid motor of course kasi non-hybrid siya. And you have your airbox here, you have your battery. And very simple, maluwag yung ating engine bay. So it's easy to maintain in the long run. So dito naman sa ating HEV variant, this is the same engine, no? So same engine, but now we have the electric motor and batteries na, as well as the inverter. Kasi this one is the 2NR VEX, so paired with an electric motor. I think this is the electric motor right here, mga motorista. And again, it is paired with a battery pack dun sa likuran natin. I think it's under the seat, no, sa ating second row. Ayan, so more complicated yung ating routing mga motorista because it is a hybrid model. So yung airbox natin is andito na siya sa kabilang side. Ito yung motor natin. Ito yung hybrid system natin here. And then you have your ABS here. I don't know what this is mga motorista. Ayan. So that's unique to the hybrid model. Meron tayong sound deadening material dun sa likuran na part. So overall, this is a very modern setup for a hybrid. I don't doubt na this hybrid system will last long. This will last long because Toyota has been making this hybrid system for a long time already. So alam na nila kung ano yung ginagawa nila when it comes to hybrid engines. Okay? And then here you have your sound deadening material. Dito din sound deadening material. And one thing lang dito is yung output nito is lower than the non-hybrid variant. But again, you get more or better fuel consumption in the city and in the highway with a hybrid than a typical gas engine. And meron din siyang assist mga motorista na from the electric motor once you go. And napakatahimik niya pag nasa EV mode na siya. Okay? So lalagay ko din yung exact numbers and power figures ng ating engine and hybrid system dito sa ating Yaris Cross HEV. Okay, so ayan mga motorista yung ating mga engines. So ito pala, no, kita natin dito is 1496cc yung ating displacement. Same lang talaga sila ng engine. Okay, but again with a hybrid, no, dito sa kabilang. So simulan natin dito sa ating G model mga motorista. So kita natin dito sa ating doors na napakaganda din ng design ng ating base model variant. Not at all a low-end variant mga motorista if you ask me. So you have here soft touch, no, na rubberized material na parang leather. Here this is already a leather or synthetic leather type. And then dito meron tayong stitching. Auto folding din yung ating side mirrors. Once you lock it, it will auto fold the mirrors. And then meron tayong piano black finish dito sa ating surrounding yung ating mga controls. Automatic up and down for the driver. Window lock button is dito siya. Meron din tayong malalagyan sa ating mga stuff. And manual yung ating seats. One good thing is that meron pa din siyang height adjustment. Meron din tayong airbag here on the side sa ating seat, no, even though hindi siya leather seat, di ba? And also, on this side naman, maraming blank switches because again, this is the entry level model. So you only get traction control, parking sensors button off, and adjustment for our headlights. Alright, but in terms of the interior, definitely very much the same sila ng design across the board from the higher end models. So atras natin yung upuan. atras natin yung upuan and pasok tayo sa loob. Right, so ito yung interior ng ating Yaris Cross G model. Leather pa din yung ating steering wheel. Meron tayong audio controls dito. Meron tayong meron tayong toggle buttons here. And let's start the car. Or let's start the Yaris Cross. Okay. So, let's start the Yaris Cross. Press the brake. Ito yung ating engine start-stop button right here. So, kita nyo din mga motorista na napakagaan ng steering wheel natin because EPS na siya. And yung ating control sa ating mga ilaw. Ayan. Hindi siya automatic yung ating control sa ating mga ilaw mga motorista. And also intermittent na yung ating mga wipers. Meron tayong silver and gloss finish na black dito sa ating gauge cluster. So, yung ating gauge cluster is an 8-inch display. Meron tayong digital speedometer. Permanent din yung ating indications for the fuel. And wala tayong temperature gauge. Meron tayong indicator na blue kapag malamig pa yung engine. Okay, as you can see here, bukas yung ating hood. Ayan, meron siyang indication here. And then, bukas yung ating pinto. Okay, so this display, although not high definition, but it is very legible and malalaki yung mga numbers. So, easy lang siyang tignan mga motorista, no? And also, yung ating steering wheel, tilt and telescope na siya for a base model. That's really good. Meron pa din tayong wireless charger sa ilalim. You have your climate control hills. Meron tayong wireless charger sa ilalim, Type-C port, and also you have your digital climate control dito. Pagdating naman sa ating shifter, this is a CVT transmission. So, park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Meron tayong sports mode. Ayan, doon sa kabilang side. Plus and minus yan, up and down. And then, balik sa drive, neutral, reverse. Pag reverse natin, kita nyo mga motorista na meron tayong reverse camera here. Hindi siya high definition na camera pero you can definitely tell kung ano yung mga lines, ano yung mga kailangan mong i-aim for, no, once you go to reverse. And meron siyang guidelines here and nagto-turn din yung ating guidelines, no, para mas easier sa'yo mag-reverse. Okay, and then meron din tayong sensors. Electronic parking brake with auto hold, easy lang. And then meron tayong bottle holders here and cup holders, no, dual siya na type, no, malalim, and then pwede mong gamitin yung for the cup holders, no, buksan mo lang siya. Leather din yung armrest natin, and ito yung ating glove compartment. It's not damp. Now, one thing that's really nice here is the design dito sa ating mga motorista, no, sa harapan ng dash. So meron tayong blue here and then meron siyang stitching dito. Now, when it comes to the infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, I think CarPlay is wireless already. And again, like other cross models, meron siyang outside temperature, water temperature, voltage ng battery, compass, tilt angle, and attitude mga motorista. And also, you get lots of features, no, like again, smartphone connectivity, radio, Bluetooth, phone connectivity as well. So this is the 9-inch display sa ating infotainment system ni Yaris Cross. Now, all Yaris Cross comes with a dashcam. That's really good. And yung ating rear view mirror is day and night manual siya. Dito naman yung ating mga dome lights is all LED. Ayan, kita nyo naman. And then here, LED din yung ating mga vanity mirror, no? So talagang loaded pa din yung G model natin mga motorista. So that's about it dito sa ating G model. Sa harapan, wala tayong ambient lighting for the G. That is only for the V and the top of the line na model. So ngayon naman, let's move on to the back. And dito sa likod, no, very good din yung design dito sa likod ni Yaris Cross. And for the base model, meron tayong mga cup holder here. And also, meron pa din tayong rear air vents. Okay? So, leather dito na side sa ating armrest. And then, glossy black finish here sa likuran na part. Meron tayong mga pockets dito. And pati dun sa likuran. So, this is our Yaris Cross na interior. Let's move on to the HEV variant. Let's see kung anong meron dun. So, definitely, before we go into the Yaris Cross na HEV, immediately, the difference is the sound system. Sa ating regular na mga V and G models, hindi siya branded yung ating mga stereo system. I think that's only Toyota's na mga audio or mga sound system. Ito, Pioneer sound system tayo dito sa ating Yaris Cross na HEV. So, only for the HEV lang yan, but here dito sa ating doors, same lang to sa ating non-hybrid variant. But ngayon naman, meron na tayong ambient lighting here. Malalaman mo yan once you start the car. And then, definitely same lang talaga sila ng controls here. Same lang din dito sa ilalim. Again, Pioneer na yung ating audio system for the speakers, no? And atras natin yung mga upuan. So, leather seats tayo dito sa ating HEV variant, just like the V variant, no? Leather seats na sila. So, meron tayong side airbags din dito sa ating mga upuan. And also here, kita niyo mga motorista, meron tayong traction control button off, meron din tayong autonomous emergency braking na button, you can turn it off, and then meron din tayong button for our power tailgate. EV mode din meron dito. Depende yan, no, kung fully charged yung batteries mo, pero kung hindi siya mag-EV mode, no, kapag depleted yung battery. Automatic high beam, front and rear parking sensors button off, and then meron din tayong adjustment for our headlight. Okay, meron din tayong lalagyan here sa mga coins, meron din yan sa ating G model. So, pasok tayo dito sa ating HEV model, and once you start, pag HEV na variant yung kukunin mo, blue yung ating engine start stop button. So, yung nakalagay lang dito is power on, kasi it might be na once you start it, hindi naman mag-on yung engine, mga motorista, kasi again, you have that hybrid system. So, tignan natin. I think yung battery nito depleted, mga motorista. So, ayan. So, actually, hindi nag-on yung engine. So, very quiet siya. So, right now, it's on EV mode, no? Yung ating Yaris Cross. So, immediately, once you step inside, biglang merong nakalagay dito, Pioneer Premium Audio System dito sa kanyang 9-inch display. CarPlay pa din, Android Auto pa din, same lang sila. Nothing different with the display dito, parehas lang talaga. Wireless CarPlay pa din, wireless Android Auto. And right now the car is already on and it's very quiet inside. So another difference, no, for when you go for the top of the line hybrid variant is yung display natin dito sa harap. So ayan, meron tayong different na mga gauges here. You have your power, eco, and charge. So magdedepende yan sa mga modes, no? Magdedepende yan sa inyong driving style. So, if you want to save a lot of fuel, talagang dahan-dahan ka lang para mas palagi siyang mag-EV mode. So, yung nakalagay dyan is ready na siya. So, once we put this one in gear, automatic magdadrive na siya kahit hindi umandar yung makina. Ito yung ating air conditioning system. So, ayan, nag-on na yung compressor natin, but again, the engine is not turned on. That's really good. Alright. So, hinaan natin. And then, you can definitely see, meron tayong ambient lighting here. Dito sa ilalim ng ating Qi wireless charger. You have USB Type-C. Nothing different here. And then, yung ating shifter now is E-shift. Yung ating shifter is meron siyang braking mode. So, pwede kang ilagay mo sa B for stronger region braking. So, park, reverse. Ayan, park, reverse. Ayan, pag reverse natin, kita mo na 360 camera na siya. Hindi pa din siya high definition, pero it is quite good na. You can clearly see yung mga things na kailangan mong i-watch out for. And then hindi naman siya ganun kalabo na parang useless siya. Napaka-useful nito, especially in tight parking spaces, mga motorista, no? Okay, and then I don't think you can change the mode sa ating 360 camera, ganyan talaga siya. So, meron din tayong neutral, drive, okay, and then B mode. So, meron din tayong electronic parking brake with auto hold, and same lang here sa ating non-hybrid variant or the G model, parehas lang din. And dito sa taasan, parehas lang din, day and night rear view mirror, and yung ating dome lights here is also LED. One thing na different sa kanya is ito, meron siyang panoramic roof. So, once we open the pano roof, yan, kita nyo mga motorista all the way yan to the back. So, napaka airy dito sa loob ng cabin. And meron siyang bracing here to make the structure stronger. So, hindi talaga siya all the way na roof lang lahat, mga motorista, no? So in terms of airbag count, 7 airbags dito sa ating HEV variant. And for the non-hybrid variant, tignan natin. So naka-on yung engine ni hybrid, no? For the non-hybrid variant, it's also 7 airbags. Alright. So sa likuran naman, yan, different yung ating material here. Meron tayong parang perforation na leather here, and then meron tayong pockets dito, and dito sa kabila meron tayong rear air vents, and meron tayong Type-C port dun sa ilalim, right? And definitely other things, no, are the same sa ating G model. So pagpasok mo dito, very spacious pa rin si HEV variant, no? Nothing different talaga sa ating G model. And one thing that I really do appreciate is the panel roof, mga motorista. And also, so mga motorista, yung ating G model and yung HEV model natin, definitely very similar on the inside, no? So lahat ng safety features like advanced driver aids, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and also lane keeping assist andito sa ating Yaris Cross na HEV. So pati din blind spot monitoring meron siya, and rear cross traffic alert. And that comes with a price of 1,598,000. So that's quite expensive if you compare it to the L3 G model, 1,199,000 lang. So that's 400, almost 400,000 na yung difference ng dalawa. And if you think about it, mga motorista, na you can buy how many liters of gasoline for 499,000, mga motorista, isipin nyo yan. Marami na. So I think it would last you around 5 years siguro, to 5 years and above siguro, para maubos mo, full tank ka lang ng full tank dito, to get the price of the HEV model na Yaris Cross. But the Yaris Cross itself, no, you get fuel savings, but again, it will kinda, para mabayaran mo yung additional price nito in terms of fuel savings, I think it's around 5 years and above, mga motorista, bago mo siya makita yung savings. But again, if you want the high-tech, new technology, you want hybrid technology, mga motorista, definitely go for the HEV variant. So if you have any questions regarding these two vehicles, marami silang stocks here sa Toyota Cagayan de Oro. So visit lang dito sa Kauswagan Highway, Cagayan de Oro City, and also I'll put a number down below sa mga certified Toyota sales professional nila dito. Right? So ayan, mga motorista, this is the Yaris Cross HEV versus the G model. Let me know down sa ating comments kung ano yung masulit para sa inyo. Right? So once again, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.